Welcome back to Soapncrafts. Last time, I challenged myself with French-style rebatch soap making and made this beautiful grape bunch soap. The lather feels amazing, and the natural foresty look is so charming and rustic. But it was way too complicated. I'm not sure I have the courage to go through it again. So this time, let's try something easier. We are using MP soap base. It saves time and budget, and is way more beginner-friendly. Even if you're all thumbs, you can do this. And yes, you can make your own MP soap base too. Check out my previous tutorial. Let's get started. I used 280 grams of pre-colored soap base. Then I grated it into fine shreds. Next, add about 1 to 2% fragrance oil or essential oil. And mix it well. For each grape, use about 10 to 14 grams of shredded soap. Grab a handful and give it a good squeeze. The goal is to press out any air, so your soap forms a solid lump that won't fall apart. Then roll it into ball shape. Repeat 22 times. Cut 22 cotton strings, each about 20 centimeters long. This time I switched to cotton string instead of the usual jute. Jute tends to shed and stick to the soap. Tie a knot on one end. Poke a hole in the soap ball with a skewer. Then push the string with the knot end in. Press around the hole to secure it, so the string doesn't come loose. Take 4 grape soaps and tight them together. Wrap a long piece of cotton string in a spiral. Continuously adding individual grape soaps one by one, until all the grapes are tied together in a complete bunch. once you've strung them all together, you've got yourself an adorable bunch of grape soaps. Way easier than the last method, right? It's a total game changer. And hey, you can totally do this using store-bought essential oil soap bars too. Pick your favorite colors and scents and DIY your very own bunch of grape soap. It's incredibly therapeutic to make. Feel free to share your creations and thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you next time. Bye.